So I just wanted to check out in my fuel tank and kind of see how everything is looking inside. Make sure that there's nothing, you know, no big debris areas. Looks like we got some flash rust on there, which isn't a big problem. One of those companies reached out to me a while ago and they were like, hey, if we send you a digital inspection endoscope, would you review it on your channel? And I was like, I don't really know why I would review this, but it seems kind of cool. And as I was cleaning out my gas tank, I was like, oh, this would be the perfect time to use this. And so, you know, it's just one of those like little, here's the camera side, and then you can see, you know, what it's showing. So it's pretty simple. This one only takes pictures. It doesn't actually take video. It has a little SD card that it'll take the pictures and put it in there. But the quality is pretty good, and you know, I'm a video guy, so I know, you know, you can't get that good of quality with such a small camera, but it's cool because this thing will literally just go anywhere, and you can see it on the screen. Hello, there I am, upside down. Oh, there we go. Man, time to clean out those nose hairs. Neat little camera for sure. I think it's like 50 bucks on Amazon, so I'll put a link in the description below. You can pick one up. But cool little toy to have for sure.